Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen. Today I am doing Valentine's Dollar Tree DIYs. I think this is going to be pretty close to my last one I do, but don't quote me on that or tell me later on that I'm doing more or I'm doing less or I'm completely done. I always change my mind and I always spit words out of my mouth that I really don't mean. So anyways, I'm super excited to share these with you. They are so easy and they take minutes to make. So let's get into the video. DIY, I'll be using two of these craft foam cones and some yarn from the Dollar Tree. So I had these left over from Christmas and I wanted some inspiration for Valentine's Day. I love that you can kind of bring in Christmas all the way to Valentine's Day with a ton of different items. So these are definitely one of them. I saw this cute little idea on Pinterest, so I cannot take credit for this adorable idea, but I had this like chunky yarn, and thankfully I had the chunky yarn because it would have taken forever to wrap these two trees, but that's what it looks like. This is what it looks like when they are completely yarned up. And then I'm just grabbing some of these little felt sticker hearts and just adding them all around the edges of these cute little cone trees. I think these are adorable. I had these little foam stickers from last year and I'm just using all of the tiny ones that I had. I did run out of the pink ones, so for the other tree I just decided to use the white and red stickers. I think these turned out so cute.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go.
Next DIY, I'll be using a Dollar Tree sign. I love these signs that just pop right out, and I'm going to be using some scrapbook paper for that back to cover that BU up. I'm using some Elmer's glue stick, and the scrapbook paper came from More Decal and Decor, her monthly subscription, but I will link her website. She has some adorable wooden pieces and scrapbook paper for sale, so I'll link that for you guys if you want to check her out. I'm just going to be adding a chalkboard heart and adding a bow to that hole, so that covers. That is it for this project. I'm going to be adding this to my 3-tier tray. I think this one turned out so cute.
Spend my coin for sure.
Is a very simple idea for you. So if you found those heart bead wreaths and you're not really sure what to do with it, I'm just going to give you a really quick way to do this. So I just had some picks and I just pulled the leaves right off of it and I just kind of gathered them and sorted them out to see how they would look and added some hot glue to the leaves. Once the leaves were in place, I decided to use those foam roses from the Dollar Tree. I love these small ones. I also have some white ones as well. I'll be showing you guys how I use those in a minute too. But I showed you guys some Dollar Tree hauls and what I was going to be using for Valentine's Day, and I think I've pretty much used almost everything, which is pretty exciting. I might have a sign or two left, but other than that, I've used everything. But this is what that wreath looks like when it is done. I think this is so pretty and it is so simple, but I just love the elegant look of it.
Gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.
Using another Dollar Tree sign. This one says hello love, and I'm going back in with my scrapbook paper packet, and I loved this one. I really wanted the red to pop with that light pink around the edges of that frame, and this just pops right back into place, which is so nice. I love that they have signs like this so you don't have to pull everything and rip everything apart and hot glue and all the things I feel like I have done for the past few years. I'm using a wood heart ornament that is also from Dollar Tree in these foam roses. And I'm just going to be covering that wood heart with these foam roses to make a foam rose heart shape. And I think this absolutely turned out so cute. I kind of messed around and moved things around just a little bit and squeezed things in because it didn't really look like a heart until I kind of added another rose and kind of pushed the middle down just a little bit.
No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just
Wood sign is also from Dollar Tree, but I did paint it red with the Crimson Waverly chalk paint, and I'm just dry brushing it and just kind of making it look messy, which I actually really like this. I think it looks super good. It's super cute, and I actually had this sign painted since Christmas time, so you're not going to see that I painted it because it's been painted for months now. So once I did the front and the back side of it, I decided just to use some fun little items that I had left over that are from Dollar Tree. So I'm grabbing this little wooden heart-shaped ornament once again, and then I'm going to be gluing it to the center of the sign. Once that is done, I'm just going to be using another one of those heart chalkboard signs and adding it to the center of that. So I'm trying to cover the holes as best as possible, but of course you need a bow or something. So I'm using a gingham bow. These are off of Amazon, and I'll link those for you as well. I also just wanted to be able to hang this sign up, and then I am going to be using these little die cut love pieces. These I think are always at Dollar Tree, or at least they are at mine. They come in a pack of something. Glued it to the bottom, and that is it for this cute little sign.
It's what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in.
Next, I'm using this heart sign along with these laser cut outs that say love. It comes in a 2-pack, and I'm just going to be using one, painting it with the Waverly chalk paint in the color Crimson, and then be gluing it right to the center of the sign. It is that easy. I decided to end up adding some little wooden hearts later on, which those were from a yard sale, but you can find any sort of heart from Dollar Tree right now. The Valentines section is absolutely crazy. They have so many fun wooden pieces and foam and felt, and they have the cutest items, but these ones came from a yard sale, and I'm just gluing them to each side of the sign.
This town, look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive it faster.
Guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, I would love you consider sticking around and subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Car, nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.